I'm Veronika. Welcome to day 1 of the Inner Calm 7-day meditation challenge. Today we'll focus on calming the mind. Together we'll create more mental space, release busy thoughts, and invite stillness. Find a comfortable seated position or lay down if that feels better. Let your spine be tall but relaxed. Rest your hands softly on your knees. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Release any tension. Let's begin with box breathing again, this time increasing to the count of 5. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Each inhale feels smooth and light. Hold. Exhale out. Each exhale releases a little more tension. Hold. Another breath in. Pause. Each pause is steady and grounding. Exhale out. Breathe in on 5. Hold. Exhale out. And hold. We're almost there. Continue at your own pace. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath. Let your breath become like a soft wave, bringing balance and ease to the body and calm the mind. One more round. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. And pause. Now let your breath naturally flow, return to its natural rhythm. Imagine yourself laying back in a wide open meadow. The sky above is endlessly clear and soft. As your thoughts arise, memories, plans, worries, to-dos, see each thought as a cloud passing by. Some clouds might be small and light, others are larger and heavier, but all of them drift slowly and gently across the sky. You don't need to chase them or hold them back. Just watch them float by. Each time you get distracted by a thought, gently return back to your breath. Slow, smooth inhale. Maybe pause at the top of the breath. Slow, smooth exhale out. With every exhale, the skies feels wider and more spacious. Your mind is not the clouds. Your mind is open, clear, always calm, always vast. Gentle inhale, breathing calm, just like the clear sky you've created. There is no clouds of thoughts in sight. Just wide open blue sky, clarity and peace, stillness and presence. Take a slow deep breath in all the way to the top of your lungs. Long soft exhale out. Notice the wonderful calmness within you, the lightness of your mind, and the space you've created. When you're ready, take a slow, smooth inhale, slow, deep exhale. Next, inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, drop your hands to your heart space. As you return to your day, carry this open sky with you. Whenever thoughts feel heavy or overwhelming, remember You can always let them drift by like the clouds. Well done on completing your day 2 of our 7-day meditation challenge. Thank yourself for taking these moments to calm your mind today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 3. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Mahalo and namaste.